If you have $1,000 or even $100 and you have been putting off investing because it feels complicated, this video is for you. I am going to walk you through exactly what to do. Step by step. No jargon, no guesswork, no complex strategies. By the end of this video, you will know which account to open, which fund to buy, and how to set it up so it grows automatically without you ever having to think about it again. This is Wealth Realist. Let me start with the most important thing I want you to understand. $1,000 invested today is worth more than $10,000 invested 10 years from now. Here is the math. $1,000 invested in an S&P 500 index fund today. After 5 years, $1,611. After 10 years, $2,594. After 20 years, $6,727. After 25 years, $10,835. From a single $1,000 investment without adding another cent. This is the power of compounding, where your return earns a return, which earns a return, which earns a return. It builds on itself exponentially. And here is the number that should motivate you most. Waiting 10 years to start costs you over $7,000 without investing anything extra. Time is the only investing asset that cannot be bought back. Here are the 5 steps in order. Step 1, build a 3-month emergency fund and a high-yield savings account. Step 2, open a brokerage account or Roth IRA. Step 3, buy your first index fund. Step 4, set up automatic monthly contributions. Step 5, leave it alone for 10 or more years. That is the entire system. Let us go through each one. Step 1, and this is non-negotiable. Before you invest a single dollar in the stock market, you need 3 months of living expenses sitting in a high-yield savings account. This is your safety net. If you invest your only $1,000 and then need money in 3 months, you may have to sell your investments at a loss. The emergency fund prevents that from ever happening. Open a Marcus by Goldman Sachs account. 4.9% AP, FDIC insured, no fees, takes 5 minutes online. Or Ally Bank at 4.75%. Your emergency fund earns nearly 5% while it waits. That is 490 times more than Chase pays on savings. Switch today if you have not already. Step 2, open the right account. For most beginners, the answer is a Roth IRA. Here is why the Roth IRA is so powerful. You contribute money you have already paid tax on. It grows completely tax-free, and you pay 0 tax when you withdraw in retirement. The 2026 contribution limit is $7,000 per year. $8,000 if you are 50 or older. For your 401k, always contribute enough to get your full employer match first. That is an instant 50 to 100% return on those dollars. Never leave employer match money on the table. After that, max the Roth IRA. Then a taxable brokerage for anything above those limits. Where to open your account? Fidelity, my top recommendation for beginners. They offer FZROX, a total market index fund with 0% expense ratio. Literally free, forever. No minimum. Fractional shares. Excellent research tools. Vanguard, the company that invented index funds. Gold standard for long-term investors. Lowest costs on Vanguard ETFs. Schwab, excellent for those who also want banking. Great for expats, no foreign transaction fees. Robinhood, the simplest app for complete beginners. Clean interface. $1 minimum. Less research than the others, but great for getting started. Any of these is a correct answer. The best brokerage is the one you actually open. Step 3. What to actually buy. For a first-time investor with $1,000, you want one total market index fund. Here is what an index fund does. It buys a tiny piece of every major company in the stock market, all at once in a single purchase. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla, Johnson & Johnson, all 500 or 3,700 depending on the fund, in one purchase. The best options: FZROX at Fidelity, 0% expense ratio. The most cost-efficient investment vehicle that exists. VITI, Vanguard Total Stock Market ECF, 0.03% fee. 3,700 stocks, available on any brokerage. VU, Vanguard S&P 500, 500 largest U.S. companies. Identical performance to VTI over the long term. Any of these three is an excellent first investment. Do not overthink this. Pick one, buy it. Move on to step 4. Before we continue, what not to do with your first $1,000. Do not buy individual stocks. Apple could fall 60% tomorrow. Your index fund cannot go to zero. Do not buy cryptocurrency with money you cannot afford to lose. It does not behave consistently as an investment. 5% maximum. Do not buy options, penny stocks, or leveraged ETFs. These are instruments that require years of experience. And do not take stock tips from social media or YouTube. Including this channel, always verify and research yourself. The boring choice, one index fund held forever, has beaten the vast majority of professional fund managers over every 20-year period on record. Step 4, and this is where the real wealth building begins. Set up automatic monthly contributions. Go into your brokerage settings. Set an auto investment of any amount, $50, $100, $200, to purchase into your index fund on the same day every month. Then do not touch it. Here is why this works so well. It removes all emotion from investing. You buy when the market is up. You buy when the market is down. You never try to time the market, because timing the market does not work. This is called dollar cost averaging. It has been proven to outperform market timing in study after study. Also, turn on dividend reinvestment. This automatically uses your dividend payments to buy more shares. Compounding accelerates. Let me make this real with 3 scenarios. Scenario A, you are 22 years old. You invest $1,000 in VU. You never add another dollar. At age 47, 25 years later, you have $10,835 from a single $1,000 investment. Scenario B, same age, $1,000 today, plus $100 per month automatically every month. At age 47, $131,800. Scenario C, you wait 10 years, start at 32 instead. Same $100 per month. At age 47, $45,600. The 10-year delay cost you $86,000 without investing anything extra. The lesson, start today. Not when you know more, not when the market is better. Today. The 7 mistakes that kill first-time investors. 1. Waiting until they know enough to start. You will never know enough. Start. Learn while invested. 2. Putting everything in one company stock. Index funds exist because concentration risk is real. 3. Panic selling during a market crash. Crashes are when the wealthiest investors buy more. 4. Checking the balance every day. Daily volatility creates fear. Check quarterly. 5. Buying after good news, selling after bad. The worst possible timing, yet almost everyone does this. 6. Not investing because they cannot afford to. You can start with $1. The cost of not investing is far higher. 7. Paying high expense ratios. A 1% fee on $100,000 is $1,000 per year, gone. Use FZROX at 0%. VTI at 0.03. Never pay more than 0.2% for an index fund. Your 5-step plan one more time. Step 1. Emergency fund in HYSA, Marcus or Ally, 4 to 5% AP. Step 2. Open a Roth IRA at Fidelity, free 10 minutes. Step 3. Buy FZROX at 0% fee or VD at 0.03. Step 4. Auto-invest every payday. Remove emotion from the equation. Step 5. Do not touch it for 10 or more years. That is it. The entire system that builds wealth simplified. If this helped, please subscribe. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Next, emergency fund. How much you actually need and where to keep it. Free guide at everydaycalculators.com/free guide. Start today, not tomorrow. This is Wealth Realist.